afternoon, sir. In this video, I will demonstrate the step-by-step process. Create a byte file from the following tasks. Inside the main directory, create 3 subfolder with the following condition. Prelim folder that this should have within attributes. And 3, within each folder, create a text file within the following name and content. 4 is replace operation and 5 is remove operation. Then, let's start kasi nakagawa na ako nung create, remove, and replace bat file nya. Yan. Then, yung remove. Yan. Then, ito lang tayo sa local disk, users, then my PC, then create tayo, enter, then documents, activity, then yung midterm is sa number 2. Inside this main directory, create 3 subfolder the following conditions. Sa this folder should have within attributes. Papakita lang natin. Okay, option tuloy. Option ba yun? View. Items, then prelim, then tama, this all activity. Check lang natin. Yan. Activity prelim. Then check lang natin rin yung iba kung gano'n yung laman din. Tama. Suppose finals. Then this all activity. Tama. Number 4 is replace operation. In each text, replace all occurrence of the word activity with task, but only if the file size is less than 100 bytes. And after replacement, all text edited at current date and of each file. And then yun naman, check lang natin kung lahat is less than 100 bytes. 36 bytes, less than 100 yan. Kung hindi naman magle-less than, hindi nyo mare-replace yan. Pero mare-replace pa. Sa properties is 37 bytes. Then sa prelim properties is 36 bytes. Then now sa replacement, where the replacement users, then my PC, then nasan yung replace. Yan, then enter, then documents, where's the documents, activity, then prelim, then click lang natin. So number 4, after replacement, append text edited on current day at the head of each file. Edited by, and check on Friday on 0404. Tama yan. Then next is midterm. Check natin lahat is 100. Finals. Okay. Then number 5, remove operation. Check if the folders contain the larger than 50 bytes. If so, delete only those files. Check if the files contains any files larger than 50 bytes. If so, delete only those files. If no such files are found, delete the entire files folder. Finals folder. Doon naman, is halos na check natin is 36 to 37 lang yung bytes nila, is hindi naman siya umabot ng 50 pataas na byte. Is pero check na lang natin, baka nagbago kasi may natagtag na edited properties, it's 101. Saktong 100 bytes na yun. 100 bytes na kasi may nadagdagan nga talaga nga. Check if the final contains any larger than 50. If so, delete only those files. If no such file around, delete the entire files. Umabot na siya pala ng 100 bytes, then remove lang natin, enter, then check natin. Documents, where's the documents? Na-delete na. Finals, yan. Kasi yung finals lang yung madi-delete natin. Check if the finals folder contains any files larger than 50 bytes. If so, delete only files. If no such files around found, delete the entire finals folder. Yun lang. And that's all. Nagawa natin lahat.